Pursuant to Section 3 of Republic Act 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purpose and to promote research and extension service, advanced studies in progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and science, and other relevant studies. Vision: CPAC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Objectives: Number 1. To provide training in the various fields of engineering technology, agriculture, arts and science, education, marine biology, and other relevant studies. Number 2. To equip the students with the skills, positive attitude, self-knowledge, and expertise that would make them functional and useful members of society. Number 3. To cultivate in the students open-mindedness, critical thinking, appreciation of environment, creativity, resourcefulness in industry. Number 4. To offer a balanced education that demands quality performance from among the faculty and maximum effort from the students. Number 5. To constantly upgrade the quality of its instruction in all curricular programs. Number 6. To establish linkage with other government agencies, non-government organizations, and industry of alignment and synchronization of operation and industries for job replacement and employment opportunities of graduates. Number 7. To promote progressive leadership in research extension and production needed in the socio-economic upliftment of the province and the region, and to provide technical and special instruction to the physical handicapped yet deserving individuals. To achieve this, CPC shall 1. Deliver quality service to stakeholders. Number 2. Adhere to regulatory requirements. Establish professional and ethical standards. Number 3. Adopt changes in education system as required by law. Number 4. Forge agreement with the COCs and line agencies locally and internationally. Number 5. Update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members. Number 6. Improve key process and procedures in delivering quality instruction and relevant research and extension service. And pursue continual improvements on quality management system as higher learning institution and partner in sustainable development. Quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality, higher professional technical instruction, research, extension and production service, advanced studies for progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering and computer studies, industrial technology, arts and science, tourism, business and public administration.